Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Right here, I have the legs, the thigh, and the drumstick. Again, I'm going to debone this thigh right here and just have only chicken. So, here we go. Just going to put this one to the side. Again, if your knife's not sharp, please sharpen it with the steel. Just start cutting around. Now, why are you doing this? Because it's going to remove the tendons away from the leg. See? So, after you cut it, just go around it, take it off. Careful not to cut yourself, which might look like I would have there, but that's just my cutting style. A little safe, but it gives me more control with my knife, so I know I won't be able to cut myself. So, there you go. Right, there's that bone there. It's now separated because I cut the tendons. Okay, second, that backbone that we kept yesterday, I don't want it anymore. So, hear that? It's the knuckle part. Try to separate it. So, take your other hand, pop it out. See that? The bone there? Now, I'm going to slice it through to leave as much meat as possible to the leg. Right? There you go. You want to lay your chicken flat. You want to start cutting from the middle of the bone. If you hear that sound, it means the chicken's a little frozen. That's alright. It's preferred to be defrosted all the way. But today, I'm just going to show you exactly that. See what I did there? Holding with your knife holding with pinching the knife, right? Make sure you have full control of it. Take it, start deboning the top part of the chicken. Right. Again, this is obviously preferred with a boning knife, but if you don't have a chef's knife, that's no problem either. So, now, I'm just trying to separate the meat from the bones, which I'm doing right now. See, just picture this like the end product right here. That's going to be it with no bone. So let's see if I can do it. This is actually my first attempt, and then if I don't get this right, I'll do another one and show you the result, the real result of it. So again, just deboning it, making sure most, if not all, the meat is off. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get most, just considering the fact that this chicken's a little frozen. Again, take your knife from either side, start deboning the other side. Right. Take as much chicken as possible while not totally damaging the overall product. Right? You just want to take it off. Now that we're right here, right? And again, with your hands away from the knife, right? Just want to slide through. Right? It's like you're Frenching. Just scrape it off. There. Again, other side. There's that bone. So every chicken, there's that little bone that you get on the leg. separated right now, so it doesn't affect me later on. Cutting this. There, right? You got it. So that's the aftermath. I could have cut in less meat off that, but for something that's a little frozen, it ain't that bad. Here's the result. Nice boneless chicken thigh. Anybody can do it. What you guys can't do is honestly a lot of practice to it. But you can then pound it and stuff it, right? Roll it and oven bake it. Valentine. Alright guys, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps you in your culinary venture. Please look forward to many videos to come. Thank you.